All right, I went to start work on installing my electrical on the firewall, and then I dawned on me that I forgot to install the firewall blanket. So I had to take off the clutch assembly again in order to fit it through the hole. And then the gas pedal, all to do is take the pedal off and then stick it through the hole that's here. Um, and then the rest of that was it. So installing the firewall blanket is pretty simple. You just got to get it and fit it in place for now. I'm not going to put any of the plugs in yet, these firewall plugs. I'm going to wait until I have some more components and stuff attached to the dash. That way I can move the firewall around, kind of stretch it and fit it with all the stuff that's there. I still have the steering column to install, and right now today I'm going to install the fuse box and attach it to the firewall and start working on the wiring. But it was just a quick video reminder for others, I suppose, that when you attach stuff to the firewall, start working. Consider about the blanket. You got to get the blanket kind of up first, and then figure out what goes in before the blanket, what goes in after the blanket. So, for example, the reverse wire goes in before the blanket because there's no hole for it, so it just kind of gets tucked up behind the blanket and then kind of goes up the wall. And that's how it was when I removed it. So that would be per the original specs. And then you've got your speedometer cable that goes through and pokes through. So I would put that in first, and you can easily just poke the cable through the blanket. That's easy. The parking brake, there's no hole. It's just like a little edge that just sits on. So that's it. And there's some other holes and stuff like that for options that I don't have. And then the heater box goes over the firewall, so you got these holes in the firewall blanket for the heater box. So this goes on, and the heater box goes right on top of it. And that's it. So this is kind of the background on the firewall blanket.